Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit delivery details in the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app. Here it opens up in the home menu, but we have to go into the profile menu. So we tap on the profile icon. Here in the profile menu, we have to scroll down a little bit and find settings. We tap on settings, and here at the top of the list there is postage. We have to tap on the postage button, and here we can select from a list the different kinds of delivery services that can be used by us depending on our location and the availability of these services in our area. Also, we can add our shipping address here. So that's how we do it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.